Do you know where to find a payphone in Taiwan nowadays? With the prevalence of smartphones, the necessity of public telephones has come into question.
我个人认为应该不需要啊，因为现在每一个人都有手机啊。现在我觉得很多地方也都可以借电话可以打，因为应该是没有多大的用处。
不要会，因为有的人一时没有带手机的时候可以用到。
In fact, there were around 150,000 payphones in Taiwan at its peak, though only around 33,000 remains today. Now, payphones can only be found in places such as military camps, schools, remote tribal areas, hospitals, stations, post offices, or near telecom companies. As payphones are not often used, many have discussed whether it would be better to do away with them once and for all. To this question, the National Communications Commission gave a resounding no. According to the NCC, citizens in remote areas or vulnerable groups may still find use for payphones when they need to communicate with others. In addition, should natural disasters occur and cell towers collapse, payphones can still be used to call for help. Due to the above reasons, the NCC remarked that payphones cannot be abolished entirely. Needing only a few coins to be put to use, public payphones are still useful in case of emergencies, though its necessity may not be felt in times of peace. TVBS English News.